Hello! This do-it-yourself video shows one way to make miniature braided rugs from fine yarn with glue using graph paper guides in a clear plastic sheet protector. 1/12 scale rugs are shown, but this method is easily modified for 1/24 and 1/48 scales using embroidery floss or other fine threads. For this project, I used braided circle rugs I made many years ago. They were hand sewn, so I had to first remove the thread so I could recycle the braids to make my rectangle and oval shapes. As I undo the threads from the rugs, I clamp the braids in rolls. The seam remover helps me gently remove the threads. Of course, you can skip this step if you're going to be making a new rug and braids. Decide what color choices you'll have for your rugs. Then cut 3 pieces of yarn. The length is 24 to 36 inches. Tie them together at one end in a simple knot. Then clamp or secure the knot area before braiding, like on a shelf or on a table. Some people use tape. Begin braiding the yarn by separating the 3 pieces into the left, center, and right. Then cross the left piece over the center. Next, cross the right over to the new center. Repeat until you get to the end of all 3 pieces. Tie another simple knot at the end. Make sure that you are even braiding with medium tension. On an 8.5 by 11 sheet of paper, draw a center middle to help guide your shape. You can draw dimensions if you know the room or display area. I am making an 8 by 6 rectangle and a 4 by 2.5 inch oval. Place paper inside a clear plastic sheet protector. Then add glue on the plastic sheet protector in the center middle area. Lay a braid section flat and untwisted. Gently push the braids together with a ruler to keep them even inside the graph guides. Do 3 or 4 rows. Cut to square off and choose another color row. In this version, I cut each round of rows and then glue the edges together instead of a continuous braid wrap piece. I alternate the starting points so it is staggered. Add glue under the braid starting and ending joints to keep the ends smooth and from fraying. Keep the braids flat and try not to pull too tight. Use an even tension as you're going around the rows. Continue adding rows until the desired size is reached. I glue around each row all the way around. I connect the edges and then I repeat. Before I glued the braids into place, I put them next to each other to kind of get an idea for placement and the color theme. For the candy cane theme rug, I ended up removing the red center rows and replaced them with a red cream yarn braid. When the rug is completely dry, maybe 6 to 8 hours or more, gently lift it off from the plastic protector and trim any excess glue around the edges if needed. The back dries with a thin glossy film of glue. You could glue a piece of paper for strength. If I do, I may use tissue paper, or maybe I'll just leave it the way it is. Because using this method, the rugs dry flat and smooth. I really like this project and was very glad that I was able to recycle my braided rugs made from so long ago. I hope you enjoyed my version of the mini braided rugs. Thank you so much for watching.